Hi, this is Dr. Amol Kumbargiri. I'm an assistant professor at Mahindra University. I teach marketing. I have completed my PhD in marketing from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Marketing lies at the core of any business. As Peter Drucker once said, if you're not marketing, you are dead. Marketing is all about knowing who your consumer is, what he or she really needs, and then delivering that value to consumers in the most efficient and effective manner. So if you are able to do this, then you will be able to succeed in any business. So that's why I think marketing is one of the most important skills that any aspiring business student should master and effectively learn to apply the same in the real world of business. So what we expect from students who are willing to learn marketing is come with an open mind and come with curiosity to understand why a human being behaves in a certain way that he or she behaves, because all your customers are ultimately human beings, and when you understand the way how a human being behaves, what drives him or her, what are their needs, what are their aspirations, then you would be able to effectively come up with products that cater to their needs and efficiently communicate the same to them. So yeah, come up with an open mind, full of curiosity. That's all we ask. Students, as they go through this Principles of Marketing course, they'll be able to develop an holistic understanding of what are the strategic aspects of marketing and what are the tactical aspects of marketing. So the strategic aspects of marketing include segmentation, targeting, positioning, and the tactical aspects include product design, product communication, and then where you want to sell it, the place aspects, and then finally how do you want to price it. So these are the intended outcomes of Principles of Marketing course that we offer, and any student that takes this course would be able to develop a holistic understanding of these principles, and also with exposure to a lot of examples, a lot of industry interactions, you will learn how to apply these principles in a real world.
Segmentation, targeting, positioning, because your 4 P's, the product, place, price and promotion, all follow from your STP. So 4 P's are the tactical part, are the tactics, and this STP is the strategy. So briefly, if anyone has any idea about what is segmentation, what is targeting, what is positioning, because you might have heard this term before. Any rough idea, please welcome. Anyone?
Sir, segmentation. Targeting is that where they target a particular group. For example, if you take the example of iPhone, sir, they actually usually target those kind of group of people who are like particularly well off.
Okay, that's right. That's right. And so, what would segmentation be and what would positioning be? So, what you're saying about targeting is right. Anyone else?
Sir, segmentation is like when you divide market based on characteristics. So it's like demographic, it could be like, I don't know.
Right, yeah, we'll cover all of that. Yeah, so the point is to divide your consumer market, segregate them in a different. But why do we segregate?
Because for marketing, to understand your particular consumers and market.
Okay, so
to understand the market better.
Okay, and so when you divide your market into groups, and you said it's easy. Why do we do that? Because it's easy for marketing. Because when you reach out to a group which was when you reach out with your 4 P's. That's how you reach out. So your levers of reaching out to a group are 4 P's. Like what kind of product you design, what kind of advertising that you do, what kind of pricing that you do, right? So and if this becomes much more effective when the needs of the people, the group that you're reaching out to, needs the same thing that you are giving out to them. So there should be a fit. There should be a fit between what you are selling and what they want.
So to summarize marketing in a very interesting way, marketing is like a performing arts but backed with lot of science and data. And what you intend to get at an end of any performing art is an applause. So your consumer response to your product is your applause. So if you're able to think of yourself as a performing artist, and if you know how to get applause from people, there you go, you will succeed and exceed in marketing.